And at page 23 of the same exhibit, exhibit triple K4, on 2014-10-15 at 1700 hours 33 minutes 57 seconds p.m., the name of a person who made a call to the number ending 358 does not appear. Do you confirm that?
Now we're on the 15th of October.
Yes, yes, Kenneth, yes.
No, it doesn't appear.
So these calls were the calls which were in the phone for the number ending 358. This whole document.
From the download, yes.
Yes.
But they must take in consideration it could be more, né? Because it could be more courses which is being deleted. Like I mentioned on my first day, if you go to the contact list, it stops off, I think, 1666. And that I can't tell the court that that was really the last number saved.
So is it correct that in respect of that exhibit triple K4 is the document you receive and it's what you work on?
That's correct.
There's a document I'm going to hand over to you. I just want you to comment if you know anything about this document or it is just an animal you first saw it as I'm giving it to you today. Have you seen that document, Kenneth?
No, it's not one of mine.
You have not seen it before?
No, I only work on the one I got from Sergeant Maswidi.
What would you say that is? That document?
That is part of the download.
Okay, you can bring it back. So you don't know who downloaded this? You don't know who downloaded this because you were clear on exhibit triple K4 that Moshana downloaded it.
That's correct.
Okay.
That could be a PDF format. This is the one I'm working on.
Now that I intend to use this document for my cross-examination. However, I don't have enough copies.
Oh, that's?
I intend to use this document for my cross-examination. However, I don't have additional copies.
What document is that?
It's a download.
Does the state have that download?
I got it from the state.
We do have it. We just saw it in personal, but we do have it.
Okay.
My request, my lord, that we take an adjournment for overnight, that we proceed tomorrow.
You okay? What time is it?
Thank you.
19 minutes past 3, my lord.
General, tomorrow what time are you flying out?
I must leave here at latest at 2 o'clock.
Sorry. You're catching your plane at what time?
At 4 o'clock. But they're working on an R24. It's a mess.
Yeah. You don't have anything we can continue with tomorrow, sir?
No, not tomorrow. Maybe we can start a bit earlier if it carries everybody's places.
What's earlier here? 9 o'clock?
It's 9 o'clock, 9:30, if it's in order.
You say you're flying out at 2.
That's right.
Normally they say you must be 2 hours before.
Yeah, 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. I'm flying 4 o'clock, but 2 o'clock there at least.
You've got to be at the airport.
Yeah, 2 o'clock at least to party here.
You must leave here too.
Yes,
Here
yeah.
at the Scott.
That's right. That's why I'm working on the lunchtime, 1 o'clock.
Okay. So you say we must start an hour early, Mr. Baloyi.
Yes, we will arrange with correctional services to bring the accused.
What time?
Perhaps 9 o'clock, 9:30.
If it's 9:30, let's start at 10. Doesn't make sense.
That's a good business.
The colonel must have his breakfast.
Yeah. Thanks.
Not jungle oats. Eh?
Yeah, no.
Okay, tomorrow 10 o'clock. Thank you. Yes, sir. You've got the document.
Yes. And what I also want to hand in the originals, the copies on which I work.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, is that the PF?
The PDF and the the Vodacom records.
The Vodacom records
That's right, and
and the downloads.
And the downloads I already got.
They've
But
got, yeah.
PDF and the Excel spreadsheet.
Yeah, we only have one disk.
Yes.
Yeah, give it to them. They'll have to. They can duplicate it,
Yes. Yes.
re-record it. What exhibit will that
We
be?
can mark it triple K5G.
Triple K5G. And
Essentially,
sorry. Before I forget, now this very disk, 555 kg. You say these are the sections?
There's a section 205 from Vodacom,
Yeah.
the one I received,
Yeah.
which is different pages from the one of Pinky, and then the conversion to the spreadsheet.
Yeah, but also I'm interested. Did you receive the section 205 of each and every person who's being accused?
Yes, I do.
Meaning for number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5.
No, I don't have any 205s on there.
You don't have it?
No,
You
because
only
that
have
time-
4?
That only from the people in the house.
Or the people in the house?
Yes.
Okay, all right, okay. Yes, yeah, Mr. Nxumalo.
My lord, there are exhibits that are being referred to, especially triple K5G.
Yeah, okay. I see here, it is here.
Yes,
They say it's a disk.
it's a disc. I haven't had an opportunity to go through the disc because it's information that I might have had from my cross-examination yesterday.
You never got this before, Mr. Baloi. You didn't get it before.
Well, the witness, it was referred to yesterday. The witness only brought it this morning.
Okay.
Yes, it's a real exhibit, but we're marking it as a document just to keep the exhibits of Colonel Usteyn together.
No, yeah, but I'm saying,
Yes.
has it also been reduced to a document? This
No, it's just a disc.
a disk only.
Yes.
So that information is contained only in the disk.
Yes.
How long is this disk? How many hours?
It's long.
About how many hours?
No, it's not an hour. It won't take an hour if we duplicate it.
It won't even take an hour.
No.
If they view it now.
Yeah, they can view it now.
Yeah, let's start doing that.
If
What-
someone got a CD player.
Yeah, fine. Do you have a CD player?
Yes, we do, my lord.
The other one which was supposed to be viewed is what? Is that the only
No,
disk?
there's the only one, my lord, that had to be.
Yeah, let's view it first. When I say let's, me, I won't be viewing it. Okay. I will adjourn until you call me to say all of you have viewed it. Okay. So that's a gentleman like the stenographer there must know that he sits from 9 up to 5 on Monday. And even the police, and even the custodians. What do they call the boss of the jail there? The chief warder.
the head of prison.
The head of prison. Monday, Tuesday, we start at 9, we end at 5. Okay.
That's a good business.
If the miracle happens that we finish on Monday, fine. Is that okay, sir?
It's fine, my lord.
So we adjourn now.
Yeah, the only problem that I foresee,
Which one is that?
Colonel Usteyn will be flying out of his province on Monday morning.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And his
Okay.
flight might not be in time to start at 9. I suggest that maybe on Monday we start at 10.
Okay.
See how we progress.
Okay.
If need be, then on Tuesday we can make those arrangements.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I wasn't out. I thought you were going to be shooting back at the Kruger Park or whatever. Why do you laugh, Colonel? When I was a judge in Mafikeng, the roles were so sparse, you know, in the late 90s. then the Law Society and some of the judges who were resident there, they would arrange hunting trips for us
Okay.
in Hatswater,
Okay.
Pudumo, and Wolmaranstad.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Yeah, but here you don't have that time. Okay, so we're adjourned until Monday, then 10 o'clock.
Okay, man.
We're just waiting for the accused, my lord. So
Is that so?
they can leave. We have retrieved triple K7, is the
The
original disc of the downloads, just to make copies for our colleagues.
So you've got two copies now. Three,
Yes,
four, five?
two discs.
Two discs, 5
Yes.
and 7.
Yes, indeed, my lord.
Okay.
We'll give them to the
Which other outstanding evidence is there? Documentary or? Because you're saying the defense will use today to view some of these exhibits,
It's only exhibit triple K5G,
right?
the one that was handed out this morning, consisting of the section 25 from Vodacom
Yeah.
that was received by Colonel Usteyn,
Okay.
as well as the spreadsheet from TSU.
So what happens to the discs? You don't digitalize them.
Well, all that we can do is to save the information as it is. The information it's in a digital form.
Is that so?
Yes.
Yeah, because you know what happens.
Yes.
The department said they were going to digitalize all the records of these courts, but it hasn't happened.
Yeah.
And I can tell you now, we are reconstructing records of the 1990s. Well, in some of the cases I was involved in.
Yes.
Guys were sentenced in the 1990s, 2000, 2003, 4, 5. And then they want appeals. And of course, they must have their appeals. But of course, when you look for the records, they are not there and you'll never find them.
Yes.
What about 6 matters?
Yes. Yeah, that's the unfortunate aspect of our criminal justice system, but there are moves afoot to digitize everything. That might take a while, but there are such plans to have a paperless environment in court.
Okay, fine.
The accused are here, my lord. A new exhibit has been handed up at the request of the defense. It's exhibit triple K5G. It's section 25 from Vodacom, and as well as the Excel spreadsheet on which Colonel Usteyn worked on. The defense needs time to view the information, the disk. As a result, we have agreed that the matter may stand down until Monday for the continuation of the cross-examination.
Okay. Then we shall adjourn until Monday. Unfortunately, I'm not good at golf.